wabarakatuh. The Honorable Judges, teachers, and my beloved friends. First, I would like to express my gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for the opportunity to stand here and deliver my speech today. My name is Ahmad SIDIQ and I am from MTSN1 WONOGIRI. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to talk about the responsibility of the resilient generation to build harmony in diversity. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we know, our world consists of more than 300 countries filled with different forms of government, language, cultures, and many others. But these different don't create a problem, but it makes our world richer and more beautiful. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I will give you some examples. Yes, in this country, Indonesia. We know that this is one of the biggest countries in Southeast Asia and consists of more than 17,000 islands. There are many differences here, yet this country still stands and thrives. With a more different or especially different culture also contributes to increasing national income from foreigners who come to Indonesia to see our culture. That's proof that a different culture can make a nation advance, and a beautiful thing that we must respect to that. However, living in a diverse world is not always easy. We find so many problems like climate change, misunderstanding with others just because they come from a different backgrounds. That's what causes conflict between us, because they don't know about the backgrounds, they judge the problem. So before judging and determining a solution, first you must know the backgrounds of the problem. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that we are a resilient generation. It's not just a word, but it's because we have been through many difficult times, from pandemic to hyperinflations and so on. And we still stand strong. That's proof of our strength. And it also gives us the power to create change. Wow, everyone. I really believe that one of the biggest responsibilities that we have today is to build peace by respecting them, not avoid. Yes, it's not always easy. It takes effort to understand others. But we must do that because that's exactly where the beauty lies. Why? Okay, because yes, you can imagine a world that everything was same. Wouldn't it be boring? Of course, it will be boring. So, we as the resilient generation, we must start from a small action but consistent to create more united world. For example, listening more to others' opinion that we don't agree. Second, seeing difference as a beautiful thing that should be appreciated, not avoided, like religions, genders, cultures, and many others. Third, that's the most important, staying positive for everything that happens in this world. Yes, we know that it's just a simple activity. It's easy to do. We can do that every day. But if we start from small habits from ourselves, then slow but sure it will be the bigger habits that has a big impact to us. So let's be a generation that chooses to help, respect, and protect the exciting diversity. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all from me. And thanks for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.